Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss about some properties of the triangles. Okay, before proceeding of the our chapter. So first you understand what is congruence of the triangle and what is similar figures. Okay, then after that according to these two concepts we can solve exercise 6.1. Okay dear students, so this can done by you. So please remember and please see the video till the last. Now we will discuss about the congruence figure. What is congruence figure? The congruence figure is said to be as the figure which is similar to all the aspects. Okay, just like here, example. So, what is definition of congruence figure? Congruence पहले समझते हैं, ठीक है? What is congruence? Congruence means equal in all respects of figure. Figures में जितने भी terminologies हैं, sorry, figure में जितने भी respects हैं, ठीक है? Just like things, just like angle, sides, and length, the everything. Okay, वो shapes जो होना चाहिए, shape सबसे पहली बात तो congruence figure is said to just like this one is triangle, so we can compare with the same thing. Okay, same shapes of we are can't compare with this with the another shape, just like circle. Okay, so this is known as same shapes and sizes. That means the angle having the same size and same shape. So that figure is known as congruence figure. We have lots of example in our life congruence figure, just like two ATM cards are congruent, two coins of 5 rupees of the same size, same radius is equal. So that is known as congruence figure. The figure which is equal in the shapes and sizes. ठीक है, shapes भी equal होना चाहिए उसकी and similar होना चाहिए and sizes also similar. So at that time this figure is known as congruence figure. So according to this we can say that the triangle, okay, just like here, it doesn't matter the shape is which type looking like you. Okay, just like this is 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter. Okay, and this size is 4 centimeter, this size is 4 centimeter, this size is 3 centimeter, both this size is 3 centimeter. Okay, so in this thing we can say that these two triangles A, B, C and E, F, G, both the triangles is equal or congruence A, B, C, and it can be denoted as the congruence. The sign of congruence is this. Okay, this is also said nearly equal. Okay, E, F, G. Okay, so this triangle is said to be as a congruence when, ठीक है, तो this sign इस sign को कब लगाएंगे? when, एक्चुअली ये आपको बाद में लिखना था, ये हमें पहले लिखना था, जिसको पहले लिख लेता, ठीक है. लेंथ कंपेयर करते हैं, लेंथ AB एंड लेंथ E, AB एंड लेंथ EF both having a 4 centimeter, length BC and length GF is also 5 centimeter, length AC and length EG. We are comparing the same numbers with the same size. Okay, so it will be applicable. So this is the same size is equal. Okay, here angle A equal to angle E, okay, and angle B and angle F angle G and angle C and these are all equal, okay, and ये सभी एंड है, ठीक है, एंड length is compared and angle is compared. So these two things is said to be a triangle. Therefore we can say that triangle ABC is nearly equal or congruent to triangle EFG. This is a congruence of the figure. Okay, dear students, according to this we can say that the figure is congruence. Okay, so I hope you understand this congruence is applicable for all the figures. Okay, जितने भी types of figures आप जानते हैं, just like triangles, squares, quadrilateral, okay, and circles, all this having the rule of congruency, because the similar things is always equal in everywhere. We need to this in our daily life. Okay, so we will discuss it furthermore about the congruence. Before to proceeding to the congruence figure, we will discuss about the similar figure. Okay. Now similar figures. Okay. Now similar figure. What is similar figure? Similar figure is just like congruence figure, but here is one thing is different. Okay, this in which we can say that the shapes are equal. Okay, we compare with triangle with the triangle, so it's equal. Okay, we compare circle with circle. Okay, we compare square with square, and in which the shapes are equal. Okay, and also in triangle, अब मैं केवल triangles की अगर बात करूं, ठीक है, so in a triangles only the angles are also equal, shapes is equal, the angles is also equal, and in triangles the angles also equal. Okay, and we can also say that and shapes are equal, triangles angles also equal. Okay, all the angles are equal, and the length of ratio is also equal. Then these are the things which according to this we can say that the things are equal, a similar figure. Okay, just like here two triangles having ABC, name having ABC, angle ABC, and another figure EFG. Okay, so these are the figures, and here angle A equals to angle E. Okay, angle B is equals to angle F, angle G is equals to angle C. Okay, these angles are equal in a similar figures, and the ratio, this is 3, this is 6, this is 5, this is 10, this is 2, this is 4. The length of the ratio will be equal. Okay, so length is AB. We are dividing it with the same line with the same thing. Okay, जो अगर हम लोग कंपेयर करें इसके साथ में, इसके साथ इसको करेंगे, इसके साथ इसको करेंगे, and let's see the ratios will be equal. Okay, AB divided by EF. अगर आप यहाँ पे इसको इस एंगल्स के नंबर्स को पहले ले रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो इसी एंगल्स के नंबर, इसी एंगल्स के साइड्स को ही पहले लेंगे हमेशा, ठीक है। डोंट यूज द ऐसा नहीं कि आप उसको पहले एक बार ले लें फिर उसके बाद इसको कंपेयर करें, दैट्स नथिंग। ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस AB divided by EF, that means the ratio is 3/6, that is 1/2. Okay, let's ratio of AC divided by EG, that is 2/4, which is also 1/2, and another ratio is BC divided by FG, that is 5/10. So at the time we can say that all the ratios are equal. That means the figure, the triangle is similar figure. Okay dear students, that is the difference between the congruence figure and similar figures. ठीक है, तो ये चीजें आप बहुत अच्छे से याद रखेंगे कि congruence में क्या चीज इक्वल होनी चाहिए और क्या चीज नहीं होनी चाहिए। इनकी रिक्वायरमेंट है फॉर इक्वालिटी, एंड फॉर द similar figure, what is the requirement for this thing? Okay, so according to this we can say that the figure are similar. Okay dear students.